Hello! Today I'm going to show you a few things. First, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps. I have open here a new tab on my Google Chrome Internet Explorer. I'm going to type in google.com and you'll see it will come up. I'll press enter. And over here you will see a little box full of little boxes and you'll click on that and maps will show up. So you click maps. And here I'm going to type in the house that I currently live in, 224 Amherst Street, New Britain, Connecticut. You'll see it's the first one that comes up because I type it in a lot. See that little A? That's where I am. Now I'm going to click on the little A, and you'll see here underneath this picture it says Street View. So we're going to click on Street View. Now it's just going to show you a bunch of bushes. For some reason I'm not sure. So here I'm just going to bring you up the street. You'll see this little circle with your mouse and you'll click on it and it'll drive you up the street. You keep driving. Now you can hold the mouse down and turn your screen using your mouse to the left. Oh, we're going to keep going down the street. Almost there. A little farther. Once again we'll click and drag, and there's my beautiful home. Wonderful. So now you know how to use Google Maps Street Views. Next I will show you a wonderful website that I learned from being in my Science 412 class in the third sequence of the elementary education program at Central Connecticut State University. It is BIE.org. Now BIE.org brings you to a website that gives you resources for creating problem-based learning experiences, I guess you would call it, for your students. If you click About BIE, it'll give you a little information about what it is. If you scroll down, it'll show you a video about its 25th anniversary. But what's great is if you click over here, you click on Resources, and say you wanted to have everything for your problem-based learning experience all put together on these wonderful planning forms. You go over here on Read and click Planning Forms. And it comes up with all these things. You have your essential elements checklist, driving question rubric, your teaching and learning guide, your project overview, which is actually the best one. If you click on project overview, it'll come up, and of course you have to sign up for the site to print everything, but once you sign up everything is free. But here it shows you project overview, name of the project, how long you think the project will take, the name of the subject, say you're teaching earth sciences or you're teaching biology, and then you would write that here, who's teaching it, your current grade level, and basically any other subject areas. The Common Core is really big on incorporating many different types of learning. For example, if you're doing science, you could incorporate math and reading and writing, and anything basically can all be worked in together. So here is where you would write that. Then your project idea here. For my science class, I did telescope building, so the students had to act as if they were Galileo and design a telescope. And basically, here are the 21st century skills, which the Common Core is huge on: collaboration, communication, critical thinking, creativity, and innovation. And you basically check off which one that this project focuses on. And if you go back, there will be a whole bunch of other things that you could click on, which are all great tools. Thank you for watching my video.